We warm welcome you to the second contest between Red Tigers and Trust Line. A little captain versus the big captain. Here comes the toss.
हेलो हेलो The captains of both teams are confident as Red Tigers have won the toss and elected to bat first. Experienced Shazib Bhai with skipper Saifullah comes to bat. Cloudy weather. Last game was a great won by Maverick side. Beautiful bowling by Adnan. Here comes the cheers from the fielders of Red Tigers.
Rifa bhai, ये नहीं आ रहा, दरवाजा नहीं आ रहा नजर. भाई इधर ही ठहर गया. आगे नहीं.
Here you go. Skipper of Red Tigers comes to ball. He's a left arm pacer with a great in swinging deliveries since 2022. He is improving his game day by day. He's a great bowler and bats so well also. Here you go, the first ball. Oh, good delivery inside outside edge. A wonderful fielding. Here you go once again in swinging delivery, passes through the stumps, just safe. A wonderful piece of in swinging deliveries by this young man. Here you go once again. Here you go, third ball. Oh, shot. Not getting any run. He is deceiving the batsman by his in swing. What a shot! Just shot to the fielder. Oh. Pressure on. Another crushing shot, just stopped by bowler. 5 ball dots in the first over of the power play. Here we go! Just misses the stumps. Very close to stumps. Maiden over comes. What a wonderful piece of swing deliveries. All that over. He is impressive. Brilliant bowling from Mudassir. There you go, skipper of Trust Lines comes to bat. The pacer Shazib. A dispute between scorer and a fielder, just extra fielder as a substitute. Skipper of Red Trust Lines is not happy. There you go, Shazib pacer to Saifullah, the skipper of Red Tigers. First delivery. Straight chance or not? No, it's bump. Good deliveries. The fielders wanted to put pressure on the batsman by fielding and bowling as well. Another short delivery, crushed on the offside, not getting anyone. The pace attack of Red Tigers is very good. Here you go once again. Oh, outside edge. Not missing. Captain is very happy with his bowling. 9 ball dot in the power play. It's so high pressure. Here you go. Oh, now on the offside, outside edge. not getting any run. You have to take chances to run on that wicket. There you go. Set it! 6! Magnificent strike by Saifullah. Glorious piece of batting that is. Wow! He does not mean any pace on that ball. Making room and lofted for a long, handsome 6. A yard's gone. Miles. Oh, good delivery. Nice comeback. Six gone without loss. Mudassir comes to ball again. Here you go. A good delivery in swinging deliveries. Here you go. Mudassir Shadib once again. Oh, beautiful piece of bowling. Shazib Bhai does not know anything about it. A wonderful in swinging deliveries. Mudassir not giving any run. A wonderful ball. Putting a lot of pressure on trust lines. There you go. Short ball. Want a single and get single easily.
नीचे लग रही है नीचे
There you go. Here comes the skippers to skipper.
कैमरे के बीच से
Mudassir to Saifullah this time. Oh, inside edge. Wonderful piece of bowling.
टीएस को
This match is. Oh, another in swinging deliveries. Misses by keeper as well.
10 मिनट होने वाले हैं 4 मिनट रह गए
A free hit missed by Saifullah. Inside edge. Oh no, not getting any run. Wonderful piece of bowling. 3 over gone. 8 without loss. Shadib Bhai scores only 1 runs of the 10 balls. There you go, a little fellow. Faizan comes to ball. Oh, wants room. Wants single. Oh, chance. No. He's not happy. He wants a single. The pressure is on now. Big push on the leg side. One single. Ratted. Gone. Big blow. The fielders are very happy. It's clearly out. Wonderful piece of fielding by keeper. Here comes the first breakthrough. They are very happy. Cheers the moment. They knew the importance of this wicket. Saifullah gone 6 of 9 balls. Sanaullah comes to bat. He is a nice hitter of the ball as well. Can he bring some magic to his team? There you go, Faizan to Sunny. Short delivery misses completely. He wanna smash that ball, but misses. Wonderful length deliveries. Another length delivery. Another miss. 2 dot balls. No run in that over. Also, another short ball. Won a single. Oh no. Shadib Bhai does not want any risk more. Five ball. Not getting any by Faizan. It's a no ball. It's a no ball. Umpire calls.
फ्री हिट
Can he hit big on this ball? Short ball. Lofted for a long shot. That is a very wicked, huge shot. That is, look at that. That is too much time, width offered, and that is a long, long shot. He has very long arms. Four guns, 15 without loss. Here comes Shahzeb on both ends. Shahzeb to Shahzeb bhai. Here he go, the first ball. Shahzeb is running, passing umpire. Oh, swing and a miss. Here you go once again. Shahzeb wanna hit big. Straight hit! Straight up in the air. One of that. Skipper set its mine and taken nicely. Land delivery. Shahzeb I wanted to loft it over. Mid on for 6. But right into the hands of Mudassir. Very safe hands. Check nicely. A huge blow once again. 15 for 2 now. Yusuf from Trust Line. Come to bat. There you go. Straight shot. One a single. Not. Fumble. Gets gone. Oh, mid wicket gone. Another breakthrough. Oh. Trust Lines are under pressure. Fumbles. And Yusuf lost his wicket. 3 wicket gone, 15 for 3, from 15 to 1 to 15 of 3. It is not. Sanaullah on strike. Shahzeb is in the slot, and this has been hammered by Sanaullah into the long way for a 6. Wow! In the slot this time, he is not going to miss that one. A juicy pace delivery in the slot offered. Oh, very long shot. Here you go once again. On a more outside edge. Fast running from Afnan. Getting single easily. Huge appeal, but is not out. A little Afnan is bowling very well. He's a little guy, not take him a little player. He is very good player. There you go. Shahzeb to little Afnan. Wonderful shot on the roof, not getting any run. 5 over gone, 7 without loss. There you go, keeper of Red Tigers comes to ball once again. Wonderful delivery, no ball called. It's not good. Can Sunny Sanayashi's make in swinging delivery, swing and a miss. Wonderful piece of Yorkers comes from Mudassir since first over. He's bowling very well today. Only 3 runs given. No ball called by the umpire. You must have to see your feet. Short delivery, misses. Good delivery. Another swing and a miss. Sunny wanted to make room, but right into the legs comes from Mudassir. That is very hard to hit that ball delivery. Full toss. Won a single. Get single easily. A little Afnan to Mudassir. Mudassir won a wicket. Oh, what a delivery. Full toss. What a great in swing. Afnan is surprised by that delivery. There you go, the last ball. Oh, what is he doing that? Let's come after this short break of Asar Prayer.
रिफा भाई बंद कर दो रिफा भाई
6 over gone, 25 for 3.
चलो भाई स्टार्ट है.
Here comes after the break. Mudassir give ball to the Faizan
खिलाता हूँ अपनी भाई, तू नहीं खिलाता.
to take a pressure of Sanaullah. If he take his risks, he might lose his wicket.
तो गाइस हमने खाया चॉकलेट
But
अंडे का टूर्नामेंट
they have no other option to attack.
दीपा भाई के चैनल पे
Here you go. Faizan to Sanaullah. Can Sanaullah bring his team from that position? He is 14 of 13 deliveries, playing gently with the two huge blow. A short delivery, swing and a miss. Sunny won a big short ball that has been pulled away into the stands. Length offered and is gone for miles. He's looking and hitting the ball really well and fast. You must have to put Yorkers. Here you go. Ball him. Bullseye. Fulan has done it for his team. Wonderful piece of bowling. Yorker right into the middle stumps. They are very happy. It is a very important
4
wicket.
विकेट रहो यार जल्दी.
With a wonderful piece of batting comes from Sunny. 20 of 16 deliveries. Very well played
वही से बॉल
for his team. Short delivery pulled on the onside by Umair. Not getting any run. Fazan to Umair once again. Shot on the leg side. Wanna catch? No. Single easily. Very sensible batting. They have to take single more. And a ball on the offside. Good running between the wickets. 33 for 4. 7 over gone. 8 runs from that over. And a huge blow of Sanaullah's wicket. Here you go, the main bowler. Shazib comes to ball. Wanna some breakthrough. You have to put short deliveries or Yorkers in the slot to take the wicket of this young man. Short delivery straight up in the air. Shadeb wanted that and take it. Gentle Vinny. Wonderful piece of bowling. A little fellow is gone now. 33 all out. They are very confident of chasing this a little total, but can the bowlers of Trust Lines take their team to a wonderful win or not? Subhan and Shazib from Red Tigers comes to bat. A little fellow Afnan from Red Lions comes to ball. Here you go.
साहब भाई
Experienced Shazib on the runner's end. And Subhan, the wicket safer. Can they are alone do this task?
हाँ तो सारे
Or Afnan showing some magic? Let's see that. There you go. The umpire calls it. First delivery right into the middle of his bat. Nicely stops by Subhan Ahmed.
शहीर भाई
The skipper is actively feeling changes his speed. There you go, Afnan to Subhan. Push on the leg side. Won a single, no fumble, and gets a single. Experienced Shazib comes to bat. Here you go, Afnan to Shazib. Good delivery right into his legs. Can Afnan produce magics or Shazib show some magics? Let's see. Full toss and gone all the way. He is not going to miss that full toss delivery from little fellow into the leg side and just over the fielder. It's a 6. Release some pressure from the escaper of the Tigers. A wonderful use of power play, playing into the gap sensibly. Here you go, Afnan after boundary. Four balls, 7 run also exceeded. 2 balls to go. Oh, wonderful reply. After hitting 6. Is not happy Shazib. He want a more hit. There you go, Afnan. Oh, offside. Went to the leg side and get single easily. 1 or 2, no. A wonderful fielding. Putting pressure on the batter side. Saifullah want. A little Umar comes to ball to Shazib. Here you go, Umar to Shazib. Onto the leg side, single easily. Saifullah wants some breakthrough. Can Umar do it? Can he take his wicket? Bowled him! What a delivery that is! Oh, Yorker comes, hits the stumps. Subhan gone. Pressure is shifted towards the batting side as well. Wasim come to bat. Wow, Umar showing his magic. Wonderful line and length. Short ball or reverse sweep. Wonderful skill showing by Wasim. What a glorious looking shot that is.
वो जो स्टंप किया वो प्लेयर आउट है ना, आउट है, बल्ला ऊपर है.
There you go, Umar to Shazib. Oh, wide delivery missed by Shazib. Chance of catch? No, it hasn't. Last ball of the match over. Here you go. Shazib. Is that it? That's gone for 6. He's playing very well. Short delivery of her and smashes into the long way for a 6 by Shazib. 2 over gone, 16. 8 runs come from that over. Only 18 required from 48 deliveries. There you go. Ball him! Afnan is showing some magic. What he is doing, that Wasim. He makes room and playing across. Ball him straight hit. A little fellow done it. He is the magician. The Afnan magic comes. A Faizan from Red Tigers comes to bat. All the eyes are on both. Red Tigers are under pressure. There you go on the leg side. Won a single. Great single. Wonderful shot. Onto the legs. Smashes into the leg side. Afnan is hitting the full length deliveries. Oh, short deliveries, good deliveries. Change his line and length to beat the batsman. Shazib wanna complete this target in power play. Another good delivery onto the legs. Not getting any run. Two runs in that over. What a wonderful piece of bowling by Afnan. There you go. Umair to Faizan. It's a no ball. It's a no ball set by umpire. Straight to the Sunny. Chance of run out. Gone. Straight hit into the stumps. What a wonderful throw by Sunny. A huge blow. He is not happy. He is angry on Faizan. A skipper of Red Tigers comes. A turning point in this game. Saifullah is very happy now. Now 16 requires only 2 wickets in hand. Match comes to 60-40. 60 on the Saifullah side and 40 on the Mudassir side. Here you go. Umair to Faizan. Checking his feet, Saifullah. Umair of Nan. Oh, what a delivery. It's not a wide, it's a ball. Misses by Faizan. Shot and drops. Caught and ball not happens and drop. We saw this since last match. 5 to 6 catches have been drops by Shooting Stars. Oh no, another drops. It's difficult also. Drops by skipper. It's very tough for skipper to take that one, but if he takes, then match is over. Push on the leg side this time, getting single easily. And umpire said it's not a no ball. There you go. The captain cool comes to bat. Mudassir is a good batsman as well. Can he complete this score? He has to take his responsibility as a captain. No ball, pulled on the leg side. Single, 1 or 2. No, yes, no, yes. Oh, chance. Oh, huge appeal. Not out. Not out as well, said by umpire. Is not out. A huge discussion between umpires and captain. It's not out. The captain of Red Tigers is very happy. Saifullah is not happy, but the pressure on both teams. 11 requires on 5 over 1 ball, 31 balls remaining. Like umpire Hassan. Oh, swing and a miss, free hit misses. Over. 4 guns, 5 without loss. 23 for 3. 5 runs comes from that over. There you go, a very wonderful piece of captaincy by Saifullah. Is not getting third bowler. A shot on the leg side, getting single easily. Faizan today plays some gentleman innings after Shazib's wickets. There you go, Afnan to Mudassir. Can Afnan takes the wicket, or can a Mudassir attack to this young man? Was on the offside. Wonderful piece of placement that is. Taking single, not taking any risk, as a huge balls are remaining. The equation is so simple. Take single easily and take a big single. On the leg side this time, on a catch, it's on a tree, it's not out. It's single by Faizan. 8 ball, 4 runs. 50 strike rate of Faizan. This is the requirement of that game. Here you go, Afnan to Mudassir. Oh, a piece of stumps is not out. Wonderful piece of keeping by Captain Saifullah. Can Mudassir smashes it? Oh, shot! But not getting an chance! Another chance! Sunny misses the second chance and first chance as well. A huge blow. The captain is saying you are so child, so take chance. Oh, good fielding by Afnan, showing some aggression on that delivery. 5 over gone, 26 for 3. 3 over comes from Faizan over. 5 overs, 7 requires, 8 requires on 30 deliveries. Umar comes to ball his third over. Wonderful piece of Saifullah's captaincy, that he's not allowing third bowler to ball that. He wants a breakthrough once again. The game is towards 70 to 30. 70 on the batting side, 30 on the bowling side now. Just 8 runs required on 30 deliveries. Here we go, Umar to Faizan. Umar running. Short delivery on the left side. Cracking shot. One. Taking second back. Come back. He won a third. Oh, Mudassir is running so fast and taking third, and he is very happy. 29 now. Only 5 requires on 29 deliveries. Can Umar produce some magics here? Shot. Oh, what he is doing, Faizan? What he is doing that? Gone. Oh, captain of bowling side is very happy. Oh, it is a gamble by Faizan. What he is doing
जी
that?
तुम्हारा बैग तो मर गया.
Oh, that is a turning point in this game. 5 runs on a wicket. Can Umar take the wicket of Mudassir? Here you go once again. This is the stumps. But it's out. It's out. It's a huge blow. Wins. They are very happy. There is a celebration. Oh, what is doing that? Wonderful piece of batting by Sanaullah. 20 of 16 balls and Shazay 15 of 13 balls, and wonderful piece of bowling by Umar as well. Trust Lines has won by 4 and wonderful piece of fielding